This is part 3 of the blue level. If you love partner dance and want to learn it, you're in the right place. And it's all coming up.
There's a wind and it's blowing. There's a current that's running deep. I can't see but I know it. There's something's not what it's meant to be. Hearing brother against brother now. Anger grows on.
Hey everyone, I'm Aldon, creator and founder of DanceSystems. I created DanceSystems to allow everyone to learn partner dance. No matter if you've got 2 feet, 3 right feet, it makes absolutely no difference. The important thing is to look great and to have fun along the way. It has been my privilege to have taught so many people from all over the world, different backgrounds, different cultures, also completely different levels of dance experience, and to watch them all achieve their goals just by using the DanceSystems method. And so can you. So let's get into the content. The step that we're going to be covering today is the basic open. And it's really nice to add the step to your repertoire because up until now, our steps have been pretty sort of up and down. Today, we're going to start to learn to move laterally. Okay. Also, please note, the video follows a really good structure. So we're going to be covering the followers explanation. We'll be looking at the leads explanation. Also, importantly, and my personal favorite, we're going to be covering how to actually lead the step for those that want to learn. And then, of course, we're going to have a bonus section at the end. And please follow along. There's going to be a section in the bonus section for the lead and the follow. For the follow, we're going to make you look super cool doing this move. And for the lead as well, just a key point in terms of how to actually lead the step. So please watch until the end. So let's get into it. Followers. Okay, so let me just demonstrate the step first. As always, we're going to be starting on the right side and always from our ready position. So we get into the ready position by shifting the weight into the left hip. From here, we step out. Notice I'm stepping out and I'm making almost an L shape with my foot. In fact, my heel, my right heel is literally in line with my left heel. Please don't step out big. Okay. Keep your legs under your body, as I always say. This is your natural position and you'll feel really balanced. So that is step number 1. Step number 2 is step across with your left leg and you are making like an L shape or the side of a box, but an L shape. And again, this is your left heel is probably just a little bit in front of your right toe. After that, step 3, you're just going to do an open step, which is 3. Again, I'm using my natural height. I'm not stepping big at all. And I'm closing on 4. Step 5 is just a side open 5 and closing on 6. I'll show you one more time. So here we go. So stepping 1, stepping 2, stepping 3, closing 4, stepping 5 and closing 6. Let me show you from this angle. Okay, and also very much for the quick reference. Here we go. So, ready position. Stepping 1, stepping 2, stepping 3, closing 4, stepping 5 and 6. And for our reference again, stepping 1, stepping 2, stepping 3, 4, 5, close 6, hold 7 and 8, especially if we're using 8 counts, which can be useful. Right, so followers, you're done for now. Don't go away, don't go too far. Okay, leads, you're up next. So for us, it's exactly the mirror image of our follow. And also up until this point, you'll notice most of our steps that we've learned within the DanceSystems method has been a chest to chest stepping or dancing. Now for the first time, we're going to be angling away at 90 degrees to our partner. So just bearing that in mind. So for the lead, let's start with us, our ready position. So Please get into your ready position, weight into the right hip, your left knee pops forward. Make your knee connection always before you start, please, most important. From here, you're going to be stepping out with your left foot. Notice again, it's not a giant step. It's literally a natural step, and my left heel is in line with my right heel. That is 1. I'm going to be stepping across on 2. I'm making another L shape. 2, again, not stepping too big. 3, I'm stepping out. And I'm closing on 4. Stepping back out. 5 and closing 6. So I'll show you from this angle. So here we go. So stepping out 1. Stepping 2. Stepping out 3. Closing 4. Stepping 5 and 6. Right, now for the quick reference, let's run through those steps again. Here we go. Start a little bit over here. So here we start 1 and 2, stepping out 3, closing 4, stepping across 5, closing 6, hold 7 and 8. From this angle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So leads, now that you've learned your footwork, and as I always say, please practice the footwork before you attempt to actually deliver the lead. It's so important to be confident in your own footwork, in your own movement. And this is such a terribly important tip, so please hear me. Get comfortable in your own movement even before you partner up and start to learn the lead. But let's get into the lead. How do we actually lead this? Right, so from our dance hold, we are getting into our ready position. So point number 1, always make sure you've got your knee connection on the start. So from here, the trick to this movement is to coordinate your right hand and your left foot moving at the same time. Have a look at this. 1. So in order to get your partner to turn to 90 degrees, all you have to do is bring your elbow into your side. So it feels like this. Stepping 1, 2, and it's a good idea and really good tip just to practice this movement before you step out. So you can see my right hand is coordinated with my left leg. So as my right hand opens, my left leg opens. Notice I'm not moving my elbow out, I'm keeping that elbow nice and tight. So that's me in my dance position. 1 and 2. And because of the importance of this, please just have a look at it from this angle. So to lead it, I'm going to be stepping 1. There it is. Bringing it back 2. So 1 and 2. So let's carry on with the actual step. Let's step it through and just feel what the lead is like. So I give my ready impulse, wait for the knee connection. Coordinating my right hand, making sure that I'm bringing my elbow into my right side and my open. From here, all I'm doing is I'm stepping forward. Please note, I'm not pushing my partner. I'm just locking my frame and I'm stepping. There'll be enough pressure really gently to invite your partner to take the step. So here it comes 2, okay? From here, all I'm doing is as I step on 3, I'm closing my hand. So again, I'm coordinating my left leg with my right hand. So it looks like 3, and now you've got it. From here, it's easy. Okay? Stepping back 4, closing 5 and 6, and all I'm doing is just locking my frame. Let me show you again once more from this angle. Okay, so for the quick reference, let's have a look at this. So starting, so we get into our ready position. 1, wait for your partner to give you the ready position before you even initiate the step. Please also start to deliver the ready position on 8. Don't rush it. So ready 8, and now we start. 1, as it is, 1, we open. Yep. 2, just lock the frame and encourage your partner to step 2. On 3, coordinate that left leg and your right hand again. 4. And now we close. 5, just by doing the frame. And we're closing again, holding for 7 and 8. Okay. Guys, have a lot of fun with it. And leads, as I always say, no force. is required, just a gentle invitation and body intention. I hope you're enjoying the content and finding real value. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content with like-minded people so that we can continue to grow this channel. So ready. So stepping 1, there it is. I've brought my hand into my side. Now again, guys, there's no pushing forward, okay? I'm literally locking my frame and encouraging Kami to come with me. Can you see how light that was? 2. Now look, I'm coordinating that turn. 3, that's the coordinating, 3. And now I'm just closing my frame. 4. Stepping 5 and 6. Again. So here we go. So stepping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Please have a look at it from this angle. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And finally, just for our quick reference, and again, 1, stepping 2, stepping 3, closing 4, 5, and 6.
Tongue-tied, paralyzed, words stuck in your throat. Green light, stage fright, body won't let you go. Oh, 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 and I already know. Oh, oh, you could say it all, you could say it all in the silence. You could say it all, you could say it when you can't speak. You could say it all, even if you don't realize it. You could say it all, you could say it all to me, and I already know. Oh, oh, and I won't let you go. Shout, strike out, just wanna be heard. They don't ask, speak fast, and you wish they'd listen first. Oh, 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 and I already know. Oh, 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 'cause you could say it all, you could say it all.
Welcome to the bonus section. You guys made it. Okay. All right. So let's start off with a tip for the follow. Then we're going to look at a tip for the lead. And I've got a third tip for you today that applies to both of you. So please hang in there. Here it comes. Follow. This is the first tip. Please elongate your legs when you step. It makes the step look so graceful. So please remember, dance is all about lines. So for the follower's footwork, let me just show you with the elongation from this side, and then I'll show you with Kami in a second. So if I'm stepping out on my right, 1, can you see I'm stepping out with a slightly bent leg, but I'm elongating as I transfer my weight. Tip number 1. I'm stepping across. As you can see, I'm not forcing my chest movement. I'm just rotating my chest really in time with my movement and the music. 1, there's the elongation. Can you see the leg? And here I'm stepping out 3. Again, my legs are straight. Never locked, just straight. And closing 4. Again, so soft knees, 5 and straightening, soft knees, and 6. Please look, see what it looks like in partner. So this is with our elongation that we really want. So ready. And 1, also using an elongation is a really nice contrast between when you bend your knees and when your knees are straight. It's so nice to have the contrast. Just adds so much more styling and flavor to your movement. Have a look. Here is the next movement, 2. Can you see Kami there? and stepping across. 3, there's the straightening, closing. 4, stepping. 5 and 6, pushing through the floor. Okay. Leads for you. Here's the first tip. Okay, body intention with leads, never force. So what does this mean? It means when you're leading this out, as I said before, never force, so rather using that hand and pushing your partner with it. I always talk about the frame. Your follow will read your body intention. So if you're stepping out this way, I would turn my head in the direction that I'm going. So here is 1. And without forcing, because my body intention is moving that way and I've just locked my frame, your follower will go with you. That way there's absolutely no force. So let me show you again from here. So here's my body intention. So I'm stepping 1. So Kami can see that I intend to go in this direction. So she's primed to go in this direction. 1. There's no force here at all. Just a gentle locking of my frame. So that when I step through 2, you can see there's no pushing here. 2, and it makes it all the difference, because having a gentle lead really will enable your partner to want to dance with you. Let me put it that way. Okay. And even this part here, there's my body intention. Now my head is coming forward. 3. So Kami is mirroring me. 3, right. And if we step back and close. So that's the tip for the lead. Now for the lead and the follow, guys, this is a big topic, but I'm just going to touch it a little bit. There will be a video coming out where we'll be talking in detail about the look, how to look at your partner and what to do, especially in the eyes. Now what I say is, please don't do the don't do the death stare, okay? That's just weird. Okay. So what we wanted to do is, in modern partner dance, we just want to keep it natural. Okay, so of course you want to have a little bit of eye contact, but you don't want to stare it down. Okay, so the idea is you want to check in, make sure your partner's good, and then you're ready to go. It's very much like having a conversation. You would never overdo it in a conversation, right? Okay, so now when it's ready to go, you see the look helps in your body intention, because if I've made eye contact here with Kami and then I step out too, because I'm looking away, she's already mirroring me as a follow. She's mirroring me and she's looking away and already ready to move. Can you see? 2, now because I'm looking back, she's going to come back to me. So one of the magical aspects of dance is body intention and using the look and the eyes. Use it. So I hope you've enjoyed the content. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and please feel free to leave any comments below. I'd love to get back to you.
Paralyzed, words stuck in your throat. Green light, stage fright, body won't let you go. Oh, 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 and I already know. Oh, oh. You could say it all, you could say it all in the silence. You could say it all, you could say it when you can't speak. You could say it all, even if you don't realize it. You could say it all, you could say